Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 11F, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contact from the SIM card to your device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application. So there it is. Next, I'm gonna select Organize, import from not file. Oh, there we go. We're gonna select Manage SIM. This automatically shows you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. By default, they should all be selected as long as none of these contacts already exist on your device. Now, for me, it is going to import these contacts to my device. If you also have a Google account signed in on your phone or multiple accounts, between your first contact and the Manage SIM, you will have a drop-down menu where you can select where the contacts will be imported to. By default, the device will choose your Google account. Now, because I don't have anything signed in on this device, it automatically just picks the only option right here, which is the device itself. One more thing, if you see some kind of contacts that are deselected and you cannot select them, that's fine. These contacts already exist on the location where you want to import them to. So the phone is simply stopping you from creating duplicate contacts. Next, you can click on Import. It asks you the stupidest question if you want to remove the contacts once you have imported them from your SIM card. I would recommend keeping them as they never get in your way, and they're there as a kind of like for safekeeping on your SIM card. Now you can display contacts from your SIM card by clicking right here on the phone or your Google account icon and selecting SIM, which will obviously display contacts from your SIM card. But by default, as you can see, typically you wouldn't see your contacts from the SIM card as long as you don't want to. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.